Danny bought new shoes online. He couldn't wait to get them. He stared at the window. He saw the mailman with the white box. That must be it. He went outside. He grabbed the box from the mailman. "Thanks," Danny yelled. Danny opened the box quickly. The shoes looked great. It looked exactly how he expected. He tried them on. They were too tight. He needed to exchange them. He needed to get a size 12. He called the company. They were busy. He was on the line for a long time. After 40 minutes, it was his turn. "Hi, I need to exchange my shoes," Danny said. "Sorry, all our shoes are final sale," said the sales associate. Danny was surprised. He looked at the fine print on the shoebox. "All sales are final."